We all came together to work, clean everything up, looking good, Rayla. Look at all that. Jimmy's still doing it. Got Andy Powers supervising. I got ya. There we go, Jimmy. Looking good. Looking good, brother. Yeah, here at GeorgeGeoGuitars.com, sprucing up the place. Mulching leaves. I love it. Look at that. Woo! That's pretty good, brother. That's pretty good, brother Jim. I think we're all right. WOME. Home of rock and roll. Clean it all up. Yep. There we go. Some Sonny. Sonny Hill, proprietor of Mowers. In front of We Buy Guitars at GeorgeGeoGuitars.com. Yo, yeah.